Unscrew the 4 screws under the cab seat. Lift the seat up and pull all the plugs out of the bottom. Remove the seat. Use the tool to remove the willow nails from the carpet. Lift the carpet and remove the willow nails from the baffle as well. Then remove the middle baffle. Remove the willow nails from the baffle. Then screw out the screws on the bezel. Take out the baffle, and you can see the original car host. Take out the main power cord and video cable, white plug, of the console. Take out the CarPlay's LVDS cable, and connect it to the original car head unit. Take out another LVDS cable, and dock it with the original car video cable. Take out the CarPlay's main line and connect one end to the original car head unit. Connect the other end of the CarPlay main line with the original power main line. Connect the CarPlay main line and LVDS cable to the module. Similarly, connect the CarPlay antenna and USB cable to the module, and the module can be placed in the position of the original car host. After the CarPlay installation is completed, you can restore the original car head unit and seat. Connect the phone to the Bluetooth of the original car, and select Bluetooth audio in the media interface of the original car. Press and hold the next button on the steering wheel to switch CarPlay system. Connect your phone to CarPlay's Bluetooth, tap pair and allow. If the connection is successful, you can enjoy wireless CarPlay.
我总是偷偷的哭泣，想着鸟失了归期，但愿我相信的。